Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the C.R. Lawrence M6067. This is a guide for sliding door shower enclosures. I have one removed from the packaging where we can take a closer look at it. Clear plastic. Includes this two-sided tape for simple mounting. I can't really attest to the long-term permanency of a piece of two-sided tape. I've never tried it, I've never used it. My suspicion is that you might want to use something a bit more robust. But I've never tried it. It might work just fine. The CRL tub enclosure sliding door clear plastic door bottom for sliding shower doors is used on doors by International. I'm not familiar with International doors or what their particular dimensional properties are, but this is intended to be compatible with it. Fits half-inch thick sliding door rails. Snap-in tabs hold the guide to the track. Yeah, I would say that the absolute feature itself is meant to go inside the track. Includes a two-sided clear adhesive strip for guide mounting. As a result of it fitting into a track, I could see where this would simply assist in keeping it in place. Dimensional properties: overall length, about 4 1/16. Overall width, about 1 5/8. Overall height, looks like it's about 11/16 of an inch. They give us a dimension of 9/16. Let's take a look and see what that is. .9/16, 0.5625. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's a little shy. 0.583. 0.583 is the dimension inside of here. I can't tell exactly what they're measuring there, but 0.583 is the inside dimension. Thickness of this flange, 0.094. 0.094. Thickness out in the center, 0.264. 0.264 thickness here. Okay. So there's lots of dimensional properties for you to use to determine whether or not this is the appropriate item for your application. C.R. Lawrence does not manufacture this. This comes from Primeline. And if you were to search Primeline on our site, you will certainly find them. We do not do much of the Primeline offering because it's residential. And we are in a different segment of distribution for Primeline. What we purchase from Primeline directly would be their Seagull branded lock sets. A Seagull lock is a rim lock, a rim deadlock that was patented in the early 20th century, maybe the 1920s, thereabout. I don't recall the date. The name Seagull is synonymous with the type of lock set itself. If you've ever seen one of those locks that you turn a oval-shaped turn and two bolts drop down into the holes or the finger, well, into the holes of the strike, that's a Seagull lock. So they sell Seagull lock, and we're on the commercial side of Primeline. So if it's Primeline residential material, a source for us on that would be C.R. Lawrence, but nonetheless we can supply it to you. Speaking of C.R. Lawrence, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the C.R. Lawrence products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the C.R. Lawrence M6067? It's coming from right there, M6067, or any other C.R. Lawrence product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.